What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. Going to go over Bitcoin, guys. We bounced right off our support line that we dropped in here. So we're sitting at 42,711. We're up 1.6% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 798 billion. 24-hour volume is 29.75 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, my favorite app for investing. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So here's the 1 hour chart, guys. So we had a small bullish divergence. You can see here the price was lowering and we made a lower high on the RSI, signifying that the bulls are purchasing Bitcoin right at this support line, and we saw a bounce. We've had multiple bounces right here, and once again, right at about 40.8K. We're seeing a small increase in volume here, nothing too significant. So if we do continue to trend upwards, actually can move this down a little bit, I would target the resistance of our symmetrical triangle here, which is coming in at about 43.6K. If we were to come up and we break out of this with some volume, guys, your target from this triangle is up at about 48.5K. If we look at Bitcoin here on the 4 hour, we're currently hitting some resistance along the 20 EMA. So if we do get back above it, keep an eye on the 55 EMA. As you can see here, we got rejected by the 55. We got rejected by the 55 once again. So if we do come up and we get rejected, we come up to 43.8. Can move this down. Sorry, guys. About 43. It's around 43.6 actually. 43.6K. And we roll over. We may fall out of this pattern because we continue to fail to break this resistance. So it would be crucial for the bulls to break through this resistance. Otherwise, what can happen is we come up here. We hit resistance once again, we come down, we fall through, and we come down to this zone of support in between 39.6, 41.2, and we still have our technical target from our head and shoulders at 37.8, and we have a target from this symmetrical triangle down at 36.8K for Bitcoin. If we look at Bitcoin here on the daily, we have had the bearish cross of the EMAs. So what may happen here is we come up and we get rejected by the 20 EMA here on the daily, and then we have that confirmation that we're going to come back down to these levels of support. Would be absolutely crucial here for the bulls to push up and break through the EMAs. Due to the fact that we have the bearish cross, if we hit them as resistance, we will roll over, and that's when we can come down to these technical targets, guys. Now we're only a few days away from the weekend here, and the weekends tend to be a little bit dumpy. Not always, guys, but we are in a bit of a downtrend here. So if we go into the weekend and we fail to get back above the EMAs on the daily, I do think we'll come down to these technical targets. However, if we do break out, the target is 48.5K. And then you also have this kind of larger double bottom here on the daily. And the breakout from that target, if we were to break this neckline, is up at about 50.2K. And then just keep an eye on our falling wedge pattern. If we do come up and hit resistance due to the bearish cross, we get rejected. We come down to 37.8. We're still looking bullish in my opinion. We quickly come down. We hit that level of support. We bounce back. We break out of this falling wedge. And your target's up at about 53K for Bitcoin. Guys, if you'd like to trade Bitcoin with me, you can trade it on Bybit. If you're new to leverage trading, check out my full length tutorial. If you use limit buy with posts only, they pay you, whereas other exchanges will charge you in fees. So I highly recommend it. My favorite platform for trading. All right, guys, you can follow me on Instagram. Check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.